Stop accidentally admitting to unauthorized home repairs that absolutely terrify your landlord. I almost lost my earth shelter today because of a single missing verb. Stick with me to master the causative structure, and you will sound exactly like a native English speaker who knows how to delegate tasks to professionals. No more accidental confessions. The main water pipe ruptured this morning. I hired a human plumber. He stopped the flood, and I proudly texted my landlord. I fixed the sink.
You did what? You are a tenant. You do not have a plumbing license. Unauthorized DIY repairs are a massive lease violation. I am calling my lawyers right now.
He thinks I ripped the pipes apart myself with bare hands. I am facing immediate eviction for a crime I did not commit. I intercepted the local grammar matrix to diagnose the miscommunication. The error was mine. I used an active verb. I said, I fixed. That structure means my physical hands executed the labor.
Hey Nova, the hallway lights blew out, but I called an electrician to handle it. I am texting Mr. Barnes right now to tell him I rewired the entire hallway.
Leo, halt your transmission immediately. He will terminate your lease too. You absolutely did not rewire the hallway. The licensed electrician did.
Right, but it was my money and my initiative. I organized the whole thing, so technically I did it, right?
Incorrect. Native English speakers use a very specific formula to prove they delegated a task to a professional. It is called the causative structure.
The causative? That sounds like a medical condition.
It is your legal salvation. You must say, I had the hallway rewired. Instead of telling him I fixed the sink, I needed to say I had the sink fixed. Notice the architectural shift? We use the verb have, then the object, then the past participle.
I had the sink fixed? So the sink is just sitting right in the middle?
Exactly. The object splits the verbs. It builds a protective barrier between you and the physical labor. Let us test your logic. Yesterday you went to a salon. Did you cut your own hair with a pair of scissors?
No, my stylist did.
So, if you say, I cut my hair, I will assume you used kitchen scissors in front of a mirror and completely ruined it.
Oh, that makes sense. I should say, I had my hair cut.
Exactly. Unless you want people to think you rebuilt your own car transmission in the parking lot, you must apply this formula.
Definitely not. I took it to the mechanic shop.
Then apply the formula. How do you express this?
I had the car repaired.
Excellent. You are delegating the action. You are the manager of the situation, not the mechanic.
Okay, I think I understand the matrix. So I can just tell Mr. Barnes I had fixed the sink, right?
Fatal error. Look closely at that structure. Saying I had fixed is simply the past perfect tense. It still communicates that you did the physical labor, just further back in the timeline.
Whoa. So if I hit send on I had fixed the sink, I am still confessing to a lease violation?
Precisely. The object must split the verbs.
What if I am extremely specific? Can I say, I got the electrician to rewire the hall?
That functions perfectly. That is an active causative. But notice it requires the word to, and it forces you to name the specific worker. I got the electrician to rewire it.
That feels slightly wordy for a quick text message.
It is. The passive causative is faster because we do not care who did it, just that the result was achieved. But what if you need to name drop the actual licensed professional to keep the landlord from evicting you?
Wait, get? I can use get instead of have?
Yes. In casual conversation, native speakers constantly replace have with get. I got the sink fixed. I got my hair cut. It means the exact same thing. Let us practice with get. Your winter jacket was dirty. The dry cleaner cleaned it. How do you report this?
I got my jacket cleaned.
Excellent. Your phone screen cracked. The technology store replaced it.
I got the screen replaced.
Perfect. You sound completely natural and legally innocent of all property damage. Human viewer, it is your turn to practice. Imagine your teeth need professional cleaning. A dentist does the work. How do you tell me? Using the verb get. You say, I got my teeth cleaned. If you say I cleaned my teeth, I will assume you used a standard toothbrush at home. Let us try another scenario. You need a new photograph for your passport. A photographer takes it for you. Use the verb have. You say, I had my photo taken.
Hey, this grammar makes me sound like a VIP. People are just doing things for me all day long.
That is the absolute power of delegation syntax. Before we text the landlord and officially secure your lease, pass this one final VIP test.
Dear Mr. Barnes, the hallway lights failed, but do not panic. I had the wiring repaired by a licensed professional.
Send it.
Sent? Oh, he just replied with a thumbs up emoji. We aren't getting evicted.
I am resubmitting my own report right now. Mr. Barnes, I had the sink fixed. Attached is the human plumber's official invoice. He approved it. The lease is secure.
I guess words really matter when money is on the line.
They always matter, Leo. Language is a legally binding contract. Remember, whenever you pay a professional to execute a task, use the causative structure. I had my car washed. I got the house painted. It protects your pride, and it protects your apartment.
Got it. I'm going to go get my laundry done.
Excellent application of the formula. Your linguistic matrix is rapidly upgrading. Deploy this delegation syntax in a conversation tomorrow. Tell someone you had something repaired. I will return soon with fresh linguistic intelligence. Ensure you subscribe to this channel so you do not miss the next transmission.